How to change the default home screen in IG trading application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In order to change your default home screen on IG trading app, first of all, launch open the IG trading application on your smartphone. As you can see that my home screen is this recently traded option. By default, your home screen will be this My Watchlist tab. So if you want to change the home screen just like me, then from the main homepage of IG Trading, go ahead and tap on Account at the bottom right corner. You'll then be able to see this page where you need to scroll down and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Home Screen. Now, you see that my home screen is set to Recently Traded. Go ahead and select any other tab you want for your home screen as soon as you log in or open up the app. After you have selected one of these options, you can now get back, force close the IG Trading app and launch it open again. Now, go ahead and sign into your account and you'll be able to change your home screen right away. Now you can see that my default home screen for now is My Watchlist tab. So there you have it. That's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.